all, this is Asmae Guemrani. I'm working as a tech sales consultant with Emerpro. Over the next few minutes, we're gonna explore how organizations are managing the growing challenge of information overload and how technologies such as intelligent document processing, document management system, AI, and workflow automation are transforming the way businesses operate. With me, we have Sushil, my colleague. He's our enterprise solution expert who will help us decode the industry jargon and provide guidance for organizations to digitalize their content strategy. Welcome, Sushil, to our podcast.
Thank you, Asma. It's a pleasure to be here, and I look forward to have an intriguing discussion.
All right, let's get started. So, Sushil, for the uninitiated, what do we mean exactly by content management?
Thank you for that question, Asma. Well, content management is something that has evolved over a period of time. And if you see the entire journey of any organization, right? So there are different types of informations are being generated by various departments, various individuals. Now this information has to come and play a significant role where the informations can be utilized for the future reference, even for the day-to-day usage. This information has to be distributed, managed, and stored in a right way, so that would be accessible for the future reference as well. Now that's where the content management comes in, right? So you can manage your content across the organization from creation to the delivery of the informations. So these contents are available in a different format. And it is available on email, it is available on your PDFs, PPTs, or even for documents or audio video files. So this all has to be managed in a centralized repository, right? So this can be accessed by different users at whenever there is a requirement for it. So this entire management content management lifecycle is managed with the content management platform.
Wow, that's really a fresh perspective. But there is a lot of terminologies in the industry. Like first we had like the DMS, then it became to ECM, and now we have CSP. Can you please throw some light on this?
That's a valid question, Asma. And even we get a lot of this kind of questions from our customers. And I'm happy to break them, all these jargons on today's session. So when we start or when we talk about the document management system, that is a DMS, right? We primarily focus on managing the documents. And initially when it was introduced to the market, so people used to use DMS for capturing, scanning, and then storing the documents, right? So that had a limited usage. Now the time has evolved and there are different types of contents being generated. We are not limited only to the documents. Now there are different audio, video, emails. Day to day we are sending a lot of emails, and it is constantly increasing, right, within the organization, outside the organization. So those contents has to be managed in a right way. So that's where the term enterprise content management was introduced. And the right platform should not only handle the documents, but also should be capable to handle different types of content that is being generated. After that, now the organizations are again evolving every day with a lot of new technologies, new nuances, right? So that's where the CSP comes in. CSP is basically becomes a content service platform, which helps the organization to have a single source of truth, where the platform would be integrated with the different applications through API integrations, and this then whatever information is available on this repository or the DMS, this would be available on the various platforms where it would be integrated with. So that's where the CSP has come in the picture. So if you see the journey, it started with the pure straightforward document management system to more complex CSP, which becomes an integrated platform, and it becomes a complete tool for an organization, especially when the organizations are working largely on the documents, right, on the informations that are available. So it is very important for the organization to look for a scalable platform which can handle different types of informations, different types of contents, and that is also integrated with their primary applications, be it ERP, CRM, or any other application the organization is using. So it's very important to understand all these terminologies, but these are all to help the evolving organizations to make use of the information in a right way, and those informations are well integrated in the ecosystem and available to the different users at any given point of time.